Yo, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna admit it. I am not, you know what I'm saying? I haven't dropped content for y'all like mad long, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been good. Car is good, you know, one piece, of course. Damn, where do I even start? We've done a lot. We've done a lot to this car. I see by the title, you know, we changed up the look crazy. Nevertheless, we changed up the wheels. But there's something about the wheels, and I will get to that as soon as I show you guys when I finish driving. Cause I'm not gonna lie, this is like my boys. They jagging and everything, but like me personally, I'm like, especially from like compared to like what I like seen of like the other ones, it's like it can be way better. You know, damn. I ain't gonna lie, I just got a cut. So that's not the reason why I'm making a video though, but I just got a cut. So not too much on me. But yeah, family, it's like it's a lot going on. I know I baited. You know, I'm not even gonna do this whole like, oh, I'm back, all that BS and foolishness. Cause I'm gonna be honest with you, like, life happens, you know, mentally, financially, like, you know what I'm saying, a whole bunch of shit. Well, not financially for me, but I'm just saying like in general, like just life and period. You know, I had my ups and downs, whatever. But I'm not gonna lie, there was never a time where I was like, where I did not think like, yo, I need to make a videos. I'm not gonna lie, for the longest, like, you keep asking my boys, like, if you guys do know, I'm like, yo, I was saying for the longest, I need to make a video, I need to get back on making content. Like, I've been saying it for the longest. And like, as that time while I was gone, I did make videos, but here's the thing though. I'll make a video, look back at it, and then like, I'll delete it. I'll literally delete it because of the simple fact that like, I just didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of like a quality over quantity. That bitch is clean. I'm more of like a quality over quantity. So it's like, every time I like take a video and I look back, I'll be like, I'll just delete it. But I'll probably keep this one because of the simple fact that it's like, it's been a long time and it's like, it just looks so bad. You know, but you know, I start doing POVs, you know, vlogs or whatnot with the guys or whatever, and like, you know what I'm saying, that's really it, to be honest. Because I ain't gonna lie, I did a lot to this car, but it's like a few things that I am gonna do more to this car and everything, so I'll definitely show like what's left to do, because I'm not gonna lie, I did a lot. But it's mainly just the looks though, like power wise, I didn't really, that's like a regular, you know, like I didn't do much, you know, it's just intakes and like, you know. But I'll probably go on like a build breakdown like another day. But oh man, the red out detector. But yeah, fam, I ain't gonna lie, I baited too because I don't have my mic. I usually have my mic and like my tripod or whatever, but I didn't bring that with me as well, so I baited on that one too. So this is just probably gonna be like a bad quality video, but it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. But as usual, like, share, subscribe. Oh my god, the sun is booming right now, but I got the valves closed right now. I'm about to show y'all, but long story short, we put BBS's on it. But here's the problem though, the back doesn't look fine. I just need to drop this a little bit, but the front, terrible. The Alibaba shits. I did Alibaba once, I will never do this shit again. And one more thing too, did the Adro, but we did the V1 though. I like the V1 better than the V2 because I don't know, the V2 gives off like freaking M2. I don't know, it looks so like, not boxy, like I don't hate it, but I don't know, if I'm gonna get like a V2, I might as well just get an M2, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna say nothing crazy or something crazy obviously, but I wanted the BBS look, but I'm not gonna lie, I went with the Alibaba, right? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of cheaped out, but it's all good though. For me, we got the Adro wing. That shit is tough. I'm not gonna lie, I went to a meet, like I was saying, like last month, everywhere was literally like just taking photos of like the wing alone. That shit was crazy, but I'm gonna take these off, put the stocks back on, cause I'm not gonna lie, like I love the look, I love the idea of like the chrome on like the Tanzanite blue, but only issue is just that fitment. I hate it. Nevertheless, I'm running spacers. I found out that like BBS's, like they don't really use spacers like that, especially for my car and everything, so that's really the only issue, but it is what it is. Audio was probably bad too because I don't got my mic. I baited on that too, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. Right now we're gonna go take these off because like I said, I hate the look. Nevertheless, like I thought about it. If I'm gonna rock BBSs and everything, I might as well just get the real ones. But we're in the middle of summer. Season's about to end, so it's like it's not really gonna make sense for me to order wheels, and it comes within like 30 to 60 days, and it's like boom. By the time it comes, like season's over. So I'm like, it is what it is. But it was nice for like the good first 2 days. But I'm gonna take these off, and I'll probably pick it back up when we get to the tire shop. All right, I got the stocks back on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad. Don't get me wrong though, I love the way the stocks look and everything. Don't get me wrong, like I'm not a picky dude. I'm like a simple dude, but man, those chromes look so good, in my opinion. You know, if you guys disagree, like, you know, it's okay. I'll take criticism. I'm not mad at it. But yo, if only I had got the fitment right, I wouldn't mind rocking the Alibaba BBSs. If I'm being honest, I wouldn't mind. Damn, that shit sucked, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I love the look. Like, it looks clean. It looked aggressive, man. I love that shit. But it is what it is. It didn't happen for a reason, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't meant to be for a reason. So, you know, I'm not really mad about it. You know, shit happens, you know. But eventually, probably either next summer or like next year, I'll most definitely, I'm not gonna cheap out. I'll most definitely get the real ones. You know, I'll mark it like merchant on everything. I'll get the actual ones. I'm not gonna lie, like, my boy was giving me game on, like, you know, BBSs and like, you know, like Alibaba's and shit. Like, yo, I didn't know, like, it gets real out here, bro. It gets real out here. So it is what it is. I'm gonna get the real ones next year. I'm not really gonna rush it, and it's like, oh, get it within like the next month or two, and then like boom, season's over. Like I said, like, it's not gonna make any sense. So it is what it is. Right now, I'm about to head to my boy Cam crib and stuff. I'm about to get a wash and stuff because car's dirty. There's a little one to meet tomorrow, 1, and 2, wheels is dirty. So, you know what I'm saying? I just want to get a wash as well too. So, I'm gonna put it down for now. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the stocks back on. Well, you guys probably already know or whatever, but you know, I'm just pick it back up when we get back over there. And all right, we are back. OEMs is back on. This fitment's pretty tuck. I like it. I miss it. I miss it.
Crazy, bro.
Huh?
Crazy.
Bro, but I like the other ones. Yo, if you seen the other ones in person, bro, you would fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie. It's so clean.
Crazy though, bro. Like, I don't know.
One of my boys was saying like it keeps like the stealth look and everything.
Yeah.
It literally keeps the stealth look. So I was like, I'm gonna just do that.
You see HRUs? You see the HRUs?
No. Wait. Yes.
Yes. Hyper slitter HRUs on this thing look crazy. Hell yeah.
Damn. Shit. Staying twos then freaking B-Locks next. I don't know.
B-Lock?
I don't know. B-Locks all around. Yo, that'd be crazy. I would hook so different.
This is like basically brand new this time.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. The only time, well, obviously from that high school, burnt the shit out of the rears. Yo, I wish YouTube didn't do that thing where it's like, once they see like smoke or like tire smoke, like they automatically like.
You gotta, when you're driving, you gotta cover the like your dash speed.
Yeah. Yo, I need to start doing that, especially if I like put the GoPro on my head.
Yeah, you gotta cover the dash speed.
That's definitely.
I don't know too much about the tires much like that. I know people are supposed to be doing stuff like that, but I don't know. I think it'd be alright with the tires. Or like doing drifting content and stuff like that. I think it'd be.
Okay. Wow. This shit is clean. We about to get a wash and get her sitting right. All right. We got a wash. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there like at 8. Yeah, I'm trying to go there. I'll be there like 7:30. I'm 8. Next to you, I'm 40. Number toys. Oh my god. Woo. Clean. My boy Kim did his thing with the car with ceramics. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Freaking, what's it called? Oh boy. I don't know. I do not know. What a day. I'm not gonna lie, I really want those chrome on those BBSs. I really want that chrome though, but I don't know. Like I said, I would wait next year and everything, but it's like, do I really want to wait though? But nevertheless, like, I don't want to put like reps on, like, I want to put like the actual shit. Bro, it is hot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't know, just like a little 1-2, some calm shit, nothing crazy to be honest with you, but I'm gonna be honest though. I am gonna do like a GoPro, like a POV drive and everything. He's just watching me crazy as I'm recording. I'll probably do like a POV drive and everything. I ain't gonna lie, I miss it. I'm not gonna lie, I miss the POV drives and all that stuff, but I'm gonna put it down for now and everything. Yeah, just call it a day, to be honest with you. I'll probably drop a video like either like next day or two, but I'll keep y'all updated. Like, subscribe, and we out.